My motto of starting this YouTube channel is to ensure that I can share all my learnings and all my experiences of my life with you guys. That's why in this channel you will only find self-improvement content. We will cover topics like reading to learning, even on finance, and obviously how to and how I am continuously evolving as a person. And continuously learning is something that helps us to figure out our true potential and to become the best version of ourselves. That's why these are my top knowledge source recommendation that I use to add information in my head. Source number one, podcast. I personally listen podcast to learn lots of things because podcasts are more convenient and easy to consume. I can listen to podcasts while I'm traveling, exercising, walking, while doing some household work, because I'm the kind of person who is always hungry for knowledge, and it's providing me the advantage where I can listen podcast anytime, anywhere. In case if you don't know what is podcast, then podcast is the audio form of information and knowledge where one or two people are having deep and intellectual conversation. There are some podcasts that I follow for knowledge: TRS, The Ranveer Show, Gary Vee, Tim Ferriss, Joe Rogan Experience. And one more thing, if you don't want to listen whole podcast, then they also have their second channel where they post clips or shorter version of podcast, because not everyone have the patience where they can sit at a place and listen a 1 hour long podcast. So go and binge watch all their podcast. I promise you, after watching all those podcasts, you will come out a different human being at the end of it. Source number two are our mentors. Mentor is someone who has already achieved a type of success that you want for yourself. They will reduce the probability of committing mistakes as they already tasted the burn themselves. They can actively help you to speed up the process. So mentors are very important, and that is the reason why every single successful have their mentors. But wait, what about you and me? We are students, we are teenagers. Where to find a great mentor? And the most important question, how to find a great mentor at this age? So the answer is, it depends on our current situation. If you want to become an entrepreneur, then you have to ask from yourself at what level of entrepreneurship you are in. If you are making 0 rupee per month, then you have to find somebody who's making 50,000 per month. That person can be your mentor. And if you're saying that you're already making 50-60,000 per month and you want to increase your income, then you have to find somebody who's making 5 to 10 lakh per month. That person can show you how to do that. And if you're the kind of person who is saying that I'm already making 10 to 20 lakh per month and I want to enter in the startup world and I want to build a multi-billion dollar company, then you have to find somebody who has already done that. That person can be a mentor. So it depends on our current situation, at what level of entrepreneurship we are in. So choose your mentor on the basis of your current situation. If you want to make money, then this method will help you to find a great mentor, and that mentor will give you the absolute knowledge you need for your self growth. So source number three that I use to add information in my head are obviously books. Imagine Bill Gates, Warren Buffett, Steve Jobs are your friend. Just think about it, how valuable advice they can give you as a friend. But that's not the reality. They are super busy people. They don't have enough time so that they can give advices to everybody one-on-one. That's why they write books, where they put all their life experiences, success, failure in their books. So that's why you should always learn from others by reading books, because there are very few things you can do and experiences yourself. That's why you should always learn from the people who had already experiences them. Like if you want to open a company, then you have to read books by the people who had already opened and failed at making companies, so that you can be better at it. Reading books are exercise for your brain, just like gym is for your body. Reading is something that you just have to do if you just wanted to become smarter and more intelligent. In case if you don't like to read physical books, then you can always go for an audiobook instead of making excuses. I also prefer audiobooks so that I can finish more books in less time. And the most important thing is that audiobooks are equally effective and useful if you are ready to consume knowledge from it. So source number four are specific courses. See, all those things are very important in terms of consuming knowledge, but when it comes to building skills, then we need to take some specific courses to become expert in that particular genre. Some courses you can get free on the internet. I will recommend Coursera and edX for the free courses. So whatever interest you have, you can find any course on the same on a lot of websites. So make sure you take those free courses online and start working on your skills so that you can be better at it, and those skills will definitely gonna pay you later. So fifth and final source that I use for knowledge, that is my personal favorite, YouTube. YouTube is a king in terms of high valuable content. YouTube has all those podcasts that I spoke about earlier in this video. YouTube has millions of audiobooks and courses absolutely for free. YouTube has tons of videos that can help in improving skills that are required by the students. That is the reason why I fell in love with YouTube. Every time when I'm in trouble, I just have to search for it. In 90% of cases, answer does exist. So please make your quarantine period more productive by these knowledge sources and try to be far away from all those news that has no connection with your growth. I'm also not watching news. I'm not absorbing all those numbers of fatalities. I'm working on my skills. I'm thinking of growth. Because by watching all those news and absorbing all those numbers of fatalities, there is nothing I can do to change it. I'm not a health expert. I'm following lockdown restrictions and that's enough I can do from my side. So if this video helped you anyway, make sure you subscribe and let me know in the comment section what you think about this video.